Welcome back to Sefton Motors. Once again, we have an informational video for you here on the engine disassembly. I'm doing one of these time-lapse videos. I'm not too sure how this works, but I'll give it a shot. Here, the firebox is just wheeled off. It's on wheels. It just gloves over. Two quick clips clip it onto the chamber. Now I'm taking the hot cap off of the engine. There are 8 3/8 bolts that hold the hot cap on. And I'm going to use 2 different wrenches for the entire disassembly. One, this 9/16 socket, and then also a 7/16 socket for the one end of the water jacket. But here you can see I am removing the 8 bolts that attach the hot cap onto the engine. It's still a little warm. I was running a little while ago, so it's a little bit hot. There we go. That's off. Now I come back, and I'm going to pop off the water jacket, which is gloved onto that same chamber. Now I switch wrenches. That's the 7/16 I'm using on that end of it. Now I'm just going to pop it off there. Boom. Right? Next up, we're going to disconnect the chamber from the kinematics. The kinematics are where the crank and flywheel and hub motor are. And the chamber is where all the action takes place, right? Oh, there goes the rear cover. 2 9/16 bolts hold that on. Now I have to disconnect the piston rod and the displacer connecting rod. Piston rod is pretty simple. Now the displacer rod, there is a pin. I have to reach in and pull that pin out for that one. It's a little bit awkward, but not too bad. Once that pin is removed, now I can just slide the entire chamber right away from the kinematics. Boom. There's the chamber of the engine. Now I'm pulling out the piston. You'll see the first ring and the second ring. And I'm taking the piston off, sliding it over that connecting rod, putting the piston down. That's a 3D printed piston. And now I'm going to yank out that displacer. Displacer is stainless steel on the hot end, aluminum on the cold end. And that's it. Can you believe it? That's the whole engine. There's nothing inside that tube. That is the engine. Is that amazing or what? Now here are the kinematics, right? We could take this apart, but this is just simple, simple links. Once again, here's that chamber. There's nothing there. And this is that engine running. It's probably a little bit slower than normal, but it's running here. And just amazing technology to these Sterling engines. And we'll have more to come in an update shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.